Production planning in many companies of the metal sector is a cumbersome and manual process. Before digitizing, it was very common to plan in Excel sheets. This required someone to re-enter data from one system to the next, which is highly inefficient and subject to errors. Plantech offers complete production planning with Plantech MES. Plantech MES provides automatic processes, advanced planning tools, custom developments, automation, and visual tools. Now, with your company's system connected to Plantech solutions, your production data runs through every business unit seamlessly. Your production data flows through every business area of the company and is made available in real time for agile decision making. Automation and efficiency made easy. And the result of all of this, a 30% reduction of in-hand inventory and a 40% increase on on-time order delivery.